Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pallavi Teacher. In this video we are learn some colors name, rango ke naam, Hindi and English. So let's start. BLACK, black. Black means kala. YELLOW, yellow means peela. WHITE, white means safed. BROWN, brown means bhura. PINK, pink means Gulabi. SCARLET, scarlet means gahra laal. GREY, grey means grey. RED, red means laal. SAFFRON, saffron means kesaria. GOLDEN, golden means Sunhara. GREEN, green. Green means Hara. ORANGE, orange means santri. Yeah, santra. Santra color. BLUE, blue means Neela. VIOLET, violent means Bengani. So that's it today's video. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.